Hi, do you suffer with background noise in your videos? Used to drive me insane. I'll see if I can help. It's good to meet you. I'm Tracy from Mini Scenes GB. That's my main YouTube channel. I've been doing YouTube for a couple of years now. It's a crafting channel. And what used to drive me insane was I'd be making a thing, filming it, recording the audio, because I like to do that live at the same time. And in the background, the bin men would come round. The council would decide to cut a hedge. My guinea pig would have a tantrum. Mark would decide to have a shower in the next room. A lot of us are filming our hobbies in our spare bedrooms, aren't we? Or we might be out at the park. We might be, well, anywhere. We could be somewhere where there's a lot of the public moving around or traffic. The tips I have for you. First of all, get yourself an external microphone. I film with my phone a lot because let's face it, phone cameras are great. I've got myself one of these little DJI Mic Minis. In fact, I've got two of those with a little charger box and a receiver so that I can plug it into my laptop as well. But these will work with your phone too. You can also get just ordinary, much cheaper lavalier mics that you could use, but try to find one that's got noise cancelling on it. This little fella has. The other tip for you is when you go into editing your videos, a lot of video editing software will actually have a noise cancelling button in it. Now, I use CapCut, and in mine, what I press is Enhance Voice and Reduce Noise. Would you believe it gets rid of the council cutting hedges? It gets rid of Mark in the shower, it gets rid of traffic noise. It's amazing. So particularly a combination of the two, no background noise at all. Now, if you haven't managed to invest in a mic yet, then those buttons in your software for editing will make a world of difference. The other one I hit as well is normalize volume, and that I get the same level of volume across all my bits of video, whether I've recorded with this, with a handheld microphone, straight to my phone, or one of my cheaper lavalier microphones that I've had for years. It will normalise it across the whole lot, which is awesome. So there's some tips for you. I hope that helps. I will be doing a series on CapCut coming soon. There are a load of amazing video editing tutorials out there already. My personal favourite is Trevor Jones. He's an absolute expert on CapCut and explains it so well. However, this is another one of those things where I've taken some of what I've learned about CapCut and refined it specifically for filming top-down videos. So look out for that video coming soon. In the meantime, I think you'll like the video that's coming up here because a lot of people have found that very useful. So I'll see you over there for that one.